Good morning. I thought I would make jam donut muffins with you. I've already sent you the recipe and I thought you could make it along with me. So what we need is milk, which I've got in a gravy boat, corn oil, vanilla, flour, caster sugar and an egg. Right, you'll also need a muffin tin. Now you don't need to put muffin liners in the muffin tin because we're going to grease it with butter. So what we're going to do first of all is we are going to put a generous dollop of butter in every tin because you want it to not stick. Really important this. Okay, so we've got that all ready. Okay, and I'm going to put that to one side for a minute. Put that there. Now, what we need to do is preheat the oven to 190. There we go, then that will be ready when I'm ready. Okay, we're going to put in, first of all, the milk, the oil, the egg, okay, and half a teaspoon of vanilla, okay. And lightly kind of just beat that together. I need a whisk. Okay, just so it's combined. Then I'm going to add, let me just check the recipe, flour and sugar. Okay, this is really easy. Now combine this, but not too much. This is Nigella's recipe, and she says you want it kind of lumpy and you don't want to overbeat. So I've got a lumpy, if you can see, quite a lumpy batter there. Right, let's put these out of the way. Okay, so next I need a spoon. I'm going to fill my muffin tin about a third of the way. I'm going to try and make it so that they're all the same, so they bake the same. Maybe a little bit more in that one, maybe a little bit more in that one. Now I've still got mixture, that's right. I'm going to put that there. Now I'm going to take, and I need jam. I forgot the jam. I need jam. Now I've got strawberry gooseberry, that's all I've got. We don't really eat jam, but I'm going to use this. I think it'd be fine. Nigella says use strawberry, but I think you could use Nutella, chocolate, marmalade. I mean, just, you know, go for it. Why not? So I'm going to put a dollop of jam in every muffin. So it's going to be like a jam donut when we're done. Well, that's what I hope anyway. A dollop of jam. I haven't put too much. I don't know. Maybe you like your donuts really jammy. So I've got a dollop of jam in each one. And then I'm going to put more of the muffin mixture just to cover. Hope this works. We shall see. Nigella always works. Her recipes are lovely. So I'm thinking it will be good. Okay. Now I have used all the mixture pretty much, and I've covered the jam. just not waste it. Oh, perfect. Perfect. Okay, so now I'm going to put it in the oven, and it just make sure the oven is preheated, and it's going to bake for 20 minutes. Okay, and it says it will feel springy to the touch and puffed up like little toadstools. Okay, 20 minutes. Oh, look at these. Look. Right, I'm going to gently take these out. I hope they come out. I put plenty of butter in the tin. I'm just going to run a knife round just to make sure. Okay. Right, turn it over and oh, oh, mostly. They don't have to be perfect. We can just call them homemade. Okay. Oh, perfect. Good. Okay, so we're going to let these cool just a little bit. Jam. Okay. Lovely. Lovely. Hey, get me. Right. Okay, so last step, once the muffins have cooled, now this is the really sinful, self-indulgent bit, you dip them in melted butter, you roll them in sugar, oh my goodness me, and they're like little donuts. Use all of the sugar. Yum. There you go. I hope you like them.